Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to get all our updates regularly and instantly. So dear students, we are pleased to inform you that ESCO, a leading software company, is hiring 2020 batch freshers as software engineer trainees with an attractive salary package of 6.5 lakhs per annum, and we are here to share the details about the same. So this is a short or brief introduction about ESCO. ESCO, it is a group company of Danaher Group. It is a global supplier of integrated software solutions for packaging, sign and display finishing, commercial printing, digital assets management, and professional publishing. It is a Belgian company. It is headquartered in Ghent and it has its operations in more than 17 countries worldwide. You may get more information about them on their website, which is esco.com. Yes, so as mentioned earlier, ESCO, they are hiring 2020 batch freshers. They are conducting an online diversity hiring challenge, which is for female candidates of 2020 batch from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, and MCA. This is the eligibility criteria. As mentioned earlier, since this is a diversity hiring, only female candidates are eligible to apply. They should be from 2020 batch pass outs, and the qualifications eligible are BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA with 60% and above. This is the challenge format. The initial coding challenge has one programming question restricted to C++, Java, JavaScript, or C#.NET. You will be expected to answer this question in 3 hours, and eligible and interested candidates can register using the link that we are sharing in the future slide, and appear for the online hiring challenge on 11th to 13th December. The salary they are offering is 6.5 lakhs per annum. The job location will be Bengaluru, and the selected candidates will get joining within 1 to 2 months. So to get more details and to apply for this particular recruitment process, please visit this URL, which is bit.ly/profoundesco, PROFOUNDESKO. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. So thank you so much for watching this video, that you are liking our videos and you are finding them useful and helpful. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly a top IT training and placement company. Along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support. So enroll today for full stack developer course in Java or .NET, advanced diploma courses in testing, Python, data science, machine learning, etc., and get 100% guaranteed placement support. We start new batches almost every week, and in order to get more details about our courses, please call on these mentioned number 89830 or 52. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers multiple technologies right from your fundamentals, C++, database, OS networking, then complete Java track, core Java, web-based Java frameworks, the web design part along with Angular, then Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Python programming along with software testing. So we cover multiple technologies and programming languages. We also offer aptitude and soft skill sessions complementary with this. You will be, after this course or during this course, you'll be working on a real-time project, and you will also get an internship later along with course completion certificate after this course. This is a similar advanced diploma course in software testing, which covers your fundamentals, manual testing, automation tools, automation testing, etc., along with aptitude, soft skills, project, and certificate. Please visit our website profoundedutech.com to get detailed contents about our course. These are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, they are live trainings by senior trainers, and since they are live trainings, a lot of interaction is possible between the trainers and students, which helps to clear all the questions, queries, doubts of the students runtime on the go. and we cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course, which helps you to get skilled on in multiple technologies and also to explore more placement opportunities relevant to those skills. We give a lot of importance to hands-on approach. We have daily assignments for our students. Whatever they learn, they apply it on real-time projects. In the labs also, we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments, etc. And most importantly, the profound enrolled trained students, they get exclusive campus drives with the companies which recruit trained freshers from us on Java, .NET, testing, Python, etc. Please keep in touch with us on all our social platforms. We are available on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 51,000 plus likes, where we keep posting all our updates regularly. Do like our Facebook page. Also, do subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to get all such updates regularly. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's profoundedutech.com. So dear students, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon with one more once again.